A very good morning from Uttarakhand. Again, I haven't slept. I'm really tired. If you have seen my previous video, you can understand how tired I must be, and just make it twice. So I haven't slept. I no specific reason. I just can't. So this is why I wanted to check in and talk to you guys about it. All 6 of my subscribers. That when you're traveling, it may seem like a lot of fun, but when you do it a lot, it gets trickier. It gets difficult on your health, and like your hygiene, your sleep, everything gets sacrificed. So it can be anything. Uh, for me, it was the bed and the pillows because I really need pillows, at least 2 of them, just so I can put myself to sleep. But I haven't slept. My friends are sleeping very soundly, and I'm really jealous of them. Anyway, I'm just gonna walk up and down the streets of Mussoorie, and let's see if I find something. I don't have any cash on me, so I just hope they take UPI. And let's see where this day takes us. Let's see when my friends wake up. Let's see if I get any sleep, and let's see this view that I'm seeing right now. Okay, so we have a slight hiccup. The door is locked. This one, and it's not that tall, so I can just jump over, but I really don't want to. Finally, outside and walking. Uh, my tiredness is fading away. I'm feeling a little good. It's really chilly, and the birds are chirping. That's a change. So, going pretty good right now. It's 7 a.m. now. I'm just walking and doing nothing else. I also was checking Google Maps for places I can go right now, and it's 7 a.m. so basically I can't go anywhere. But nature doesn't have a clock on it. So I found a waterfall that is like a 30-minute walk from here. I'm gonna go there and see if it is actually there or not. I'm walking down this really beautiful small road. It's amazing. It looks amazing, and there's literally no one around. That's always nice, but not when you have an expensive phone, a GoPro in your hand, and an expensive watch. then, then it's a little scary. I think I'm headed somewhere over there, but I'm not really sure. So let's keep going, because I don't have anything else to do, right? I can't do anything else. My friends are horrible. I need new friends. Checking in again. I am about a kilometer away, and it's really tiring, but it's still very peaceful, really serene, really beautiful, and breathtaking. Not in a philosophical way, it's literally breathtaking. And if you can get an idea of how steep this is going to be when I'm gonna walk all the way up, man, it's going to be a tough adventure. I think it's there. Like, how am I only a kilometer away? It can't be that. It's very far away from here. I don't know. I'll keep on updating. Okay, off-roading now. I think this will get me there quicker. Let's see. The battery is running out, so this is going to be the last update. One of the last updates. So I'm almost complete with my walk, and I think that's Bhatta Falls, but I'm not really sure. So you'll see me when I find a waterfall next, and then you'll see me when I'm climbing all the way up. I have finally reached. It's more commercial than I thought, and it's not really a waterfall. It's just a stream of water going all the way down. You can go all the way up to catch the waterfall from there, but I'm not going to do that with the flow and everything because it's monsoon and I'm alone and my friends are sleeping clueless that I'm doing this right now. So I'm pretty happy with the result and I'm gonna go back now. Okay, my GoPro just got cut off because the battery ran out, but I was just saying that I'm really happy with what I did today, and it was good. It was a good adventure, but really disappointed with all of the plastic bottles and everything in the water. So you can't do anything about it. So let's just go back and see. Taking off my t-shirt because I'm sweating bullets and I'm inside a cloud right now. Can you see? You can see in the background, right? It's all around me. I'm inside a cloud right now and it's amazing. And my breath is running out. Check this out. I was inside that cloud. No, actually that one. The lighter one. Just moments below. I'm gonna end this one or maybe, see, I'm sweating. If you do something today, I'll record it and maybe put it in this vlog or maybe the next one. You obviously know that if the time is running out and if you still have like a half a video to go, I've recorded the day too. Alright, this is still logged, so I'm gonna have to jump over again. It's ridiculous. Back at the hotel, again, we're completely inside a cloud. Completely.